Young 2014 Dodge Ram 2500, and we're gonna use it. Ta-da! The best. Okay, this one. So you have to connect right there the high pressure hose and lower pressure hose, two of them. Okay, and you have to recharging back 1.44 pound on this car, right? So let's use this thing. The first thing, you have to press on recovery, because you have, you know, the old one inside a little bit more, so you can just vacuum. So right now we recovery, so wait until they're going down until here. Okay, after you put recovery a little bit long time, you keep going down this piece, see right there, and also this one. After they're going down until here, okay, let's continue. Okay, right now I just finished the recovery, okay, and all going down to 0. So right now I'm going to what they call recharge. Okay, so press recharging, and then it say no. Okay, I have to recharge it, and then this car, it should be, what's that? Right there. Okay, 1.44 pound. Yeah. 1.44. Then press yes. Then press no. I don't want to press it. Okay, it's charging right now. It's 75.75, 80 something. Okay, got 1.0. See, thermometer up. So wait. Okay, I have to recharging 1.44. So it's 1.39 right now. So they get slowed down a lot. Okay, 1.39 slow down a lot. Okay, 0.43, 42, almost there. Okay, and thermometers. Okay, it make it noise, make it t sound, and say blah blah blah. Okay, disconnect low high pressure hose. That's mean the red color. So you have to close it. But usually it's not close it, it's open it. Trying to open it a little bit, so that way inside it close it. So it's closed. You say disconnect high pressure hose, and then connect lower hose. Okay, set. Okay, say disconnect lower hose. So I just have to close this hose, and then see. Okay, I close all of them now, and then just press start. So right now I'm just cleaning the hose. That means your job is done. Okay, just now, right now it clean the hose, you know, all those lines for this machine by itself. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.